Hi, and welcome to our panel discussion about the future of operations for communication service providers. One of the challenges is that the CSPs aren't yet able to really match the kind of innovation rate that we're seeing with the FANGs, the Facebooks, the Amazons, Apples, Netflix, etc. What are the challenges, Andy, in terms of us actually getting CSPs to match that kind of level of innovation?
It's all well and good talking about the efficiency that they have, but it don't always translate to the telco world. When we think about why is it that CSPs struggle with innovation, a lot of it comes down to mindset, and a lot of that is a reflection of the legacy that they have. I mean, they've got networks, they've got procedures, they've got systems that are built up over 20 or 30 years, and they can't just throw that away. I think the solution largely lies in adopting agile mindsets, and that inherently means piloting and trying things in small areas, learning the lessons, and then moving on and trying to apply that on a broader scale.
There is an opportunity, I believe, let's say with 5G, where that could change. And I think it doesn't necessarily need to be everything done in-house. I think there's a lot of opportunity to build ecosystem-driven, even disruption. And a good example that we are seeing is for cloud gaming, where Google from the FANG is trying to disrupt that market now with Stadia. And I think one of the challenges in actually making that real would be the need for really reliable, low latency network in the last mile. I think that's where customers could really collaborate and drive that kind of disruption and innovation. That's one opportunity, I think.
That's not something that Google would do on their own, as an example.
Possibly, but at least it won't be like the BitPipe time where we just wait for things to happen and just provide connectivity underneath.
Rodrigo, is security possibly one of the areas where the CSPs can look to differentiate themselves in this area? The internet isn't renowned for its security.
Yeah, definitely. The CSPs can use security as a differentiator. So the subscribers are more and more aware of security, and many of them could actually churn if they feel that they are not secure with that operator.
And I think that's the core issue. Right? The core issue is the telcos have come from a mindset where they own the network, they own the processes, they own the customers, they own the channel, they own everything. Right?
Yeah.
It's a tightly vertically integrated end-to-end business model. And if you look at the true innovators in our industry, they're the ones that are able to capture innovation from anywhere, not sit in a room and invent it themselves. And as they're all trying to evolve from being pure connectivity into e-commerce and content and things like that, they need to harness this innovation from outside. So this outside thinking is really important, and taking friction out is really important. And maybe that's their unique opportunity. Their unique opportunity is realizing that their network is a platform. It's a platform for communications-based services. Yeah. And they have some unique capability that the FANGs don't have. Yeah. And if they can only find a role where they collaborate in that value creation, it won't be about ARPU.
Exactly.
Yeah. It'll be about what do people want, and because it's friction, the cheap, it's available, it's there, it's accessible, people will try.
So CSPs can have a central role, but they can't do it all. Their role is to facilitate or orchestrate, or whatever word you want to call this ecosystem.
And it's an ecosystem, it's a plug-in architecture, it's a partner, it's whatever you want to call it. Right? But if you look at the true innovators, that's what they're doing. They're enabling others to build value. Yeah. And they need to collaborate and share that value.
And this industry has seen sorry to interrupt you, but this industry has seen, these walled gardens that were built by every single carrier. There's not one who has not tried a walled garden with content, and I don't think there's even one of them that is a success story. I think we need to learn from that and really go back to Simon's point to understand where our true strength is, and then use that to collaborate to drive much larger disruption and innovation in the...
And 5G and network slicing is an example in point, right? As a technology, it could be used by the telcos to just be another thing that they define the three vanilla flavors they want, and they sort of say, roll up, which one do you want to buy? Or they say, look, low latency, access to the edge, innovation capabilities, allowing people to embed applications within the service chain. This is a massive opportunity for innovation.
To explore the operations discussion in more detail, take a look at our expert interviews. Thanks for watching. Don't miss our next episode in the series.